Stephen Fenech from Tech Guide here, and today we're talking foldable phones. Samsung have two in their range, the Galaxy Z Flip and the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And today we're going to go through the reasons why perhaps a foldable phone is just the right device for you. Smartphone design hasn't really changed much in the last 10 years, so Samsung has really introduced these bold new designs with these foldable smartphones. Reason number one, they have the latest technology. Samsung's two devices have remarkable technology not only in the screen but also in the hinge that makes the folding screen possible. There are several layers of the screen that need to be controlled, and that's exactly what the hinge does. It does the heavy lifting when opening and closing the device, so the screen folds open and closed perfectly every time. The latest flagship devices always include the latest technology, and that's no exception with the Samsung folding smartphones. Their screen technology is remarkable. The folding screens on the Samsung devices are not made of plastic either. That's actually a razor-thin sheet of glass. Reason number two, it's bigger. A normal smartphone stays the same size. A foldable smartphone can get bigger. So if you're using the Galaxy Z Fold 2, for example, you might want to just check your messages, go through just you answer your calls, whatever you need to do on the small front screen. But when it's time to do things like multitasking, play games, or enjoy your content, that's where the bigger screen comes into play. Now this comes in handy for several reasons. Multitasking, you can have up to 3 apps running at the same time. You might want to watch your content. You might want to watch some Netflix, some Stan, some of your streaming services, or you might want to play a game. Gaming on this larger screen is a much better experience than on a regular smartphone. Reason number 3, it's smaller. A regular smartphone, as we said, stays the same size, but in the case of the Galaxy Z Flip, it actually gets smaller. So when you're done enjoying this large screen, all you need to do is fold it in half and put it in your pocket or your bag. We all love a big screen, but not everyone loves carrying around a large device. So a product like the Galaxy Z Flip allows you to have the best of both worlds. A large screen when you need it, and when you're done, it folds up and it's ready to go. And thanks to the small display on the front of the Galaxy Z Flip, you can still see your incoming calls, messages, and other notifications without even having to open the phone. Reason number 4, multitasking. Yes, I know a lot of mobile professionals like to get a lot of work done on the go. And the specialty of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is multitasking. You can only do so much on a regular smartphone screen, but when you have the luxury of opening up and having a large display inside like this, you can get a lot more work done. So you can have up to 3 apps running at the same time, so you can get a lot more done on the move. You can have your emails, you can have your social media, your calendar, all of them opened up at the same time, even drag and dropping content between those open apps as well. Reason number 5. Better photo opportunities. Now we all love taking photos with our smartphones, especially selfies. Now the Galaxy Z Flip allows you to do that in a really cool way. The device actually opens up so the hinge can be rested open at any angle. What this allows you to do is rest the phone on a surface, set up your selfie camera, and take a great photo. Reason number 6. Impress your friends. Having a foldable device says a lot about the user. For a start, it tells everyone else that you're pretty tech savvy and up with the latest tech trends. I know when I've been using a foldable smartphone, pulling it out and opening the device was like, I felt like David Copperfield, like I was performing a magic trick. Now there is a high cool factor about having a folding smartphone. I know every time I pulled out one of these devices, my friends were really curious and were asking lots of questions and wanted to see them. Imagine the looks on their faces when you turn up at the restaurant or the cafe and place the Galaxy Z Flip or the Galaxy Z Fold 2 on the table. That's a real conversation starter. If you're tired of the same old smartphone design, then maybe it's time for you to embrace the foldable smartphones from Samsung. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is both a smartphone and tablet in one. The Galaxy Z Flip allows you to enjoy that large screen when you need it, but it literally folds in half and easily fits in your pocket and bag when you're done.